the nation between many religion like Hindu are between Hindu and Muslims in we have seen in the Gadar ek prem katha movie there is a religion between Hindu and Muslim. The fight between Hindu and Muslim is because of the religion. So religion in this case religion in dividing the people should not.
Okay, so Aditya is saying here that this thing that he has given example of Gadar movie that religion divides people between Hindu and Muslim. Yes, what's your opinion? What would you like to say about it?
मतलब हम इसकी वो अच्छाई भी कर सकते हैं
Yes, no. Right now you have to oppose him.
अपोज
अपोज ही करना पड़ेगा।
Mhm.
हाँ,
You can also speak in his favor that he is saying right.
religion does religion divide us or
Unite us.
unite us in a limit unite religion unite us, but when people cross their limit the religion divide us, because in our nation Hindus, Muslim and Sikhs are many religion groups, and they fight every year for their religion and their God, and they say we have to save our God. Thus they fight with their opposite religion.
Okay, so what will you say, Mayank, about it?
Sir,
Will you favor or against?
sir, as per my opinion, religion divide the India, because in other countries there are no this type of things like India. Because in India there are many religions like Hindu, Sikh, Jain, Buddha. It's not like 4-3. In every state there are every people have another religion, and like if we go in school with, it's my personal experience. Like when I go first time, they do not ask my name. They ask first my caste, and I feel very bad about this thing. And like the foreign countries, like when we are the servant of, when we are not freed, like when we have not freedom, we are the under control of British government, and they control with the help of that they divide us, and they know they divide us in many parts. They take help of our caste people to divide the India, and some people do not want to give our country, and but the British government give like bribe, and they are showing you are the Muslim, and they make a fight between Muslims, Hindus and other castes. And as per my opinion, this thing is not good. If we want to make our country very better and good country, so we have to stop this thing.
Okay, so we have Anya with us. Anya, what's your opinion? What will you favor or against?
I will against.
Yes, please.
Because, if I talk about religion, so religion, most of the time religion divides us, make a violence between us, and it is the what we said.
It is the most worst thing.
I look our
Stagnation,
tradition.
hurdle.
Hurdle. It is the hurdle in between economic to grow in the growth of a country, because in India the most of the people fight because of religion, that you are Muslim, you are Hindu, so that's why our country is not going is not developing as much we can do if there is no this type of thing between religion. So if there is no matter of religion, our country will grow up, and they maybe do better if there is thinking, because some people thinks if he is not in our religion, so they will not marry. In India, most of the people think they are Hindu Muslim. So in the Hindu girl cannot marry in a Muslim religion. That's my opinion. Most of the time, religion divides us.
Okay. Yes, Neha, what will you say about it?
My opinion is religion divided is जैसे example for Aditya, Gadar movie. Gadar movie is divided for religion, but one time is marry for actor in the she is a Muslim, but I marry you. She is Hindu, and examples of movies. PK movie.
PK movie.
PK movie full dependent on religions and divide. He says religions to any every religion are different religion. He clothes are she clothes are and he is tight any person his clothes are white. Hindu religions and Muslim religions are clothes marriage में black, and the Christian religions are that the person she wears clothes black.
Okay, Anshika, what will you say? Do you not think that she is saying somewhere that we guess people just by their clothes? There is only a difference of culture, otherwise God is one.
Religious is important because God doesn't say that do this thing and follow this culture for me because He is only one and He doesn't say that expend lots of money to their worship. Religious is important because it shapes people's custom, religious tradition.
Yes, good.
Behavior and religious beliefs bind people together.
It binds people. Okay. She is saying it unites people. Yes, Kumkum. What's your opinion? She is saying it unites people. Will you? Okay. Would you like to oppose? Okay. First, can we listen the views of Anya? Yes, Anya. She is saying religion binds us. It brings us together. How will you oppose her?
As she said a while ago that God is one, I agree with her at this point that God is one. But don't you think the religion is made up by the humans and God is also don't say that don't make just God gave us a moral values that the people are by the time to time they are going gone. So when as we listen to many stories where the Muslims about Muslim and Sikh and Hindus, the God when they come they don't say and they never declare that it is a Hindu, he is a Muslim, he is a Sikh. And you said that religion unite us. How religion unite us? Because most of the violence is because of religion.
You may ask her question that can you give examples that how it is. We want to know the examples of violence that it happened because of any.
How can it possible? How can it possible means how violence became because of religion? Because people do war between because he is a Muslim, he is a Hindu, and the girl if a girl loves someone Hindu, if a Muslim girl loves Hindu, so they denied because she is she related from different religion. It doesn't happen because interreligious marriages are also very happen in this country
Yes.
and in this nation. It generally doesn't happen.
You listen the case of love jihad. Now one person do something like he he's धोखा दिया था, he deceived one Indian girl. So we start blaming all Muslim boys. They all are like that. And like in near market it's a strike. मतलब दंगा यहाँ पे भी हुआ था market में. In the Ballamgarh on Ambedkar Chowk, like market, I forget the name of the market, but it's nearby us.
And in UP, there is a village in which many Muslims cut many Muslims cut cow in the name of religion, and it raises a fight between Hindu and Muslims because Hindu worship cow that which is cut by a Muslim. So from here the violence starts.
Okay. Here's given an example. Yes. Himanshu, will you oppose him? Apna. Yes, we have Rotash with us.
He says कि Muslims cut cow, but Muslim raise a point कि Hindu cuts a मतलब वो
They cut
क्या होते
No,
yeah.
Hindu also eat
Pig,
cows.
pig,
pork.
pig.
You can call it pork.
Pork. When
You
Hindu
can
cut
simply
a
say pig.
pig, and he raise a boy, and but my opinion, God मतलब एक ही है.
God is one.
God is one. We are distribute many religions, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, but मतलब एक ही मतलब
We are one.
we are मतलब हम ही इंसान होते हैं.
Everyone is human.
Human and he is equal.
Everyone is equal.
Equal.
Okay. Okay, Kumkum, please.
As per my opinions, religion divide us because when students in the school, firstly student ask her or his caste, that which caste
Are you from?
Caste are you from? So I think that religions divide us.
Okay. Anybody? Do you have to say something?
Sir, religion is sometimes good because in India we have many religions which have many festivals, and it is not in abroad. So, like in Hindu we have Diwali, Dashera. In Muslim we have Eid, and in Christian we have Christmas, and many abroad people, foreigners, visit India to celebrate these, and most of the people celebrate, become friends and celebrate each other festival.
Okay.
Only on festival.
So Aditya has raised a very beautiful point that yes, definitely it is uniting us because we have many festivals that people come and celebrate together and they become friends again. That is just because of religion. And nobody is teaching wrong. No religion is teaching wrong that you fight with each other. Actually, we have divided it. It is not dividing us. Do you think? Yes, beta Anshika, what will you say about it?
Yes, it is. Religion always unite us, but sometimes it gets very dangerous for people because there are so many cases in which people are fighting each other in the name of Muslims and Hindus, and even there are no festivals which in which Hindu and Muslim celebrate together, because in Muslims we have Eid specific. It is a specific. It is a specific. त्योहार को क्या बोलते हैं? Festival. It is a specific festival for only for Muslims. It cannot be celebrated in Hindus.
Okay. First, will you oppose or should I give him a chance? Okay. Yes, Aditya.
Sir, I want to oppose her point, as she has told that Hindu and Muslim does not celebrate each other, and sir, even I also have one Muslim friend, and in Diwali he comes to my house, and in the Dashera also we celebrate. In Eid also I goes to his house, and sir, even I also in Christmas I visit, and my friends we go to church, and we in pray, and many people, not I also, many people have visited church and Gurudwara at once in a life.
Sir, he is right because I have many friends in Mountain caste. Like I call him every time on like festivals, and they come in my house and they play with me. And like on Holi, Diwali, this type of all Hindu festival, on when they call me, I also gone to their house.
And
So-
we have many examples of Muslim girls and women. You must have heard about Ganesh.
Chaturthi.
Okay, they first go there and they start the prayer. They in Maharashtra there is a some kind of we call it immersion, Visarjan. Okay, so what they do, immersion is in English. Okay, so they do a kind of immersion there and they start the prayer there. So we can find many women there. So we are being united. वे जोड़ भी तो रहे हैं. And you can see many examples right now when we had lockdown. Just because of religion, people came together to help each other. We found many Sikh community. They were coming forward. Why were they coming forward?
But Muslims gave some many food and
Hmm.
मतलब उसमें मतलब झूठा करके दे दी और
Who was giving? Who was giving? Please have your points. आपने points रखें. Muslims. Okay. He wants to say like there were many Muslim people. They were giving touched food, but nothing is like that. I will tell you, it was just a fake video. I would say it is a kind of a community. It is real, but in their community they do. It is a kind of a system. They respect the grain very much. They respect the food very much. That's why they lick. इसलिए वो उसको चाट लेते हैं. Actually, they are trying to give a message to the people that do not waste. Okay. Have your points.
This is absolutely right. Problem are united, religion is divided. As we see a pandemic of coronavirus, state on the is not on the basis of status, rich, poor.
Good. A very good point he is raising, that nobody asks any kind of religion. Nobody asks in lockdown. People helped.
People are united, or religion or divided.
Yes. Anybody?
Sir, religion is bad in the way I have seen in many videos like many people smokes and uses charas and for in the name of Bole Baba, in the name of Lordship and Mahadev, which is not good for their health, and no religion says that you can do this to for the worship Lord Shiva, and some Muslims also cut goat and cow, which is not written in any religion that to follow this religion you have to do this. So religion divides in this.
Okay. So you are saying it is not mentioned anywhere in any holy book, but still people are doing.
Yes.
Can we know the reason behind it, that why are we doing? When no book is teaching us these things, then why are we following these things?
Sir, because in many shows, in shows and in cartoons also we see that Lord Shiva smokes, uses. Yes, sir.
Okay, you can say actually we are being advertised. Okay, these things are being kept in front of us, that Shiva used to smoke, Shiva used to have kind of what we call chilam and all the things and those drugs, and people are also inspiring. They are getting inspiration because they think that we are also bhakt of devotee of Bhola and Mahadev. They are thinking, yes, Sonu, we are with you. See, we are to Sonu.
वो Muslims are not compared with Hindus, and now Muslims are fight all time for Hindus, and if Hindus and Muslims are compromised together, and no fight and no religions
Well done.
and no dead peoples.
Okay. No, I just want to know the reason that why are people fighting when it is not mentioned in any book. Then why are they fighting?
Politics, election, politicians are doing rallies in the name of religion, and they divide us in specific communities, like they are Muslims, they are Hindus, and they even get votes from people in the name of religions. And even in caste, they are dividing so many religions.
So we can say ultimately, like, politicians are dividing us, not
The
religion.
Media is also responsible for the dividing of peoples, because when in our nations argument is held, then in start they talk about the topic, but when that pass the time, they come to the religion and decide, and this religion is killed to this religion. And social media and the news media is also responsible for the divide of humans.
Okay. I have one more question, that as you know that the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has been declared as a divider in chief. What will you say about it? That people say that he has divided people. Will you say anything about it?
Yogi.
Okay. So what will you say about it? That is Yogi Adityanath dividing people?
Yogi divided Hindu and Muslim. Yogi support Hindu and मतलब वो यूपी में मतलब वो मस्जिदों को तोड़वा रहा है. He is
Demolishing
masjid,
mosques, but nothing is like that. No mosque has been demolished by UP government. Maybe you have wrong
He
information.
demolished like
Illegal construction of the people, but no temple and no mosque has been demolished by any government. No, this is a false information. Yes, please. More points.
Sir, wrong religion is also spread by many fake Babas, as we have seen in 2-3 years ago. We have Ram and now also we have many Baba which
Radhe Mai.
नहीं ये नहीं पता.
उदास आसाराम बापू.
Okay. Yes.
Which divides between religion. There are
अरे आसाराम बापू की जो मतलब वो खीर था वो दूध से आता था, उस दूध से खीर बनती थी और लोग उसको खाते थे. Right.
It was Ram Rahim.
नहीं वो आसाराम बापू भी था.
It was Rampal that he used to take bath with milk, and the people used to make kheer with the same milk. Rampal. It was not Rahim, neither it was Asaram, it was Rampal. First we will listen to him.
Sir, why we want to religion for unite or divides?
Explain to them once again. Maybe they haven't got.
Why we need religion for growth of our country and this type of things.
Why we need?
Yeah.
Why do we need?
Because it promotes ethical and good moral value, and we learn many art and cultures from religion. We also in many religion, like in Hindu, we have many mantra which you can chant, and you will get peace in life. Like you can meditate with them, and it divides because people are using religion in the name of people are using religion in bad ways. So religion can unite. If religion will be in a good manner, it will be beneficial for the country. And if we will use in bad ways, like dividing the nation, it will be bad.
Have you not got? Have you got? Yes. Anya, will you say anything about whether in favor or against? You have a time now. Try to speak now. You got the time. It's your turn. Neha. Try to speak more and more. Because people are speaking against. आप उनको अपोज करो फेवर से.
So now time religion are not together. So all time fight, and now time people are compromise and together. So our country in peace and somewhere compromise, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं compromise है हमारे religion में.
You must have heard about unity in diversity. Have you heard about? Yes, we belong to different culture, different caste, different community, but still we are living together in this nation just because of unity.
बाहर कंट्री में भी है धर्म भी है.
Everything is there. They have more than us. They are obsessed. They have more than us. They are obsessed to. We are less obsessed. They are more than us. हम कम इसके obsessed हैं सन की हैं धर्म के, तो बहुत बड़े सन की हैं धर्म को लेकर के.
Like it's come about to our country.
when it comes to their sentiments.
Jesus Christ.
वो तो जीसस क्राइस्ट हैं, बाबू थोड़ी हो.
वो उनके धर्म का गॉड है.
हाँ, वो तो गॉड है. हाँ. Yes, what's your opinion?
Sir, other countries are growing because they have less religions, and when we travel in other countries, we find their countries peoples. When foreigners travels in India, they meet Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Isai, and that's a big reason to be a hurdle in our growth of our country.
Okay. As we have example of China, that China does not support any kind of community, any kind of belief. है ना? He does not support. So we can say China is growing fast.
तो चाइना में सब एक धर्म के ना.
हाँ. They do not promote any belief. वो किसी मान्यता को promote ही नहीं करते हैं. They demolish temples, they demolish mosques, they demolish everything. But I would like to tell you one thing, that we have many countries, they promote their personal beliefs, but they are very successful. They are very highly developed. We have many countries. You can take example of Dubai. Gulf countries we have. We have many Gulf countries. They follow only one. And what happens? They are extremely rich. बहुत rich हैं भाई वो. So
सर वो बोलते हैं कि हम बोलते हैं कि वो जो वहाँ से मतलब पेट्रोल डीजल निकलता है उससे पैसे कमाते, उससे नहीं, वो जो मैंने चेक करी बात, जो टूरिस्ट प्लेस जाता हूँ
इसकी स्टडी
मैंने पढ़ा था परसों पढ़ा.
yes, more things.
Medical science, as we have seen in movies, that if a couple wants a baby boy, many religion, other caste people say that worship this god to have a baby boy. In Dangal also we see that Amir Khan wants a baby boy, so he pray very many god, but so here the religion rise.
सर हमारे यहाँ वो क्या में मुसलमान लोग बन सकते हैं, मतलब प्राइम मिनिस्टर वगैरह हिंदी में.
Anyone can become the prime minister in this country.
अगर शुरू करना
Actually, people do not support. People do not support.
Against cancer.
Religion is putting people in danger.
नहीं, religion is turning people against themselves. धर्म लोगों को बांट रहा है.
It's dividing people.
Dividing people.
How? How it is dividing people? No, we respect your opinions, but we want to know that how is it dividing?
जैसे कि
No issue, you can take time.
Sir, in past also we have seen that the war between Hindu king and Muslims like Akbar and Maharana Pratap is because of religion. They are Hindu. Akbar was Muslim and Maharana Pratap was Hindu. And in the book, it is book written by William Lava. Does religion cause violence? It is written that from the past to present, religion divides the nation.
Divides the nation. Okay, but I will tell you one thing. Do you know about Jain Mandir?
जैन मंदिर
There is a Jain Mandir just opposite Red Fort.
यहाँ जैन मंदिर है
हाँ.
अरे वो
There is a big Jain Mandir just opposite your Red Fort. I definitely agree with you. Shah Jahan you are talking about, he was very cruel. Aurangzeb was very cruel. If they were really too cruel, why did they not demolish the building? Why did they not demolish the temple of Jain Mandir? Because they had power, they could do it anything. Then why did they not demolish? And I will tell you one thing. In the history, nobody has demolished any temple. We have many examples that we heard about Gori. Gori came, he demolished many temples and he stole money from India. But you will rarely listen these kind of things. धर्म तो अभी खतरे में है ना. Okay, we are in danger or धर्म? What is in danger? हाँ, क्या खतरे में? Okay, he is saying religion, he is saying we.
धर्म खतरे में है
हमें खतरे में धर्म खतरे में
Okay, anybody will elaborate or anybody will explain that how are we in danger and how is will you
So, for example, peoples are many students in our caste and only मतलब उसी जाति के
from that caste.
from that caste go to rally मतलब उसी caste के लोग rally निकालते हैं and other caste people not come there and but he is them religion उनका religion.
What is their religion? Okay, you are saying we support only our, we don't support others. But you with us.
yes sir, when it's come about to our